What if the next breakthrough in artificial intelligence was not about faster processors, larger datasets, or smarter predictions, but about wisdom, ethics, and human values guiding every digital decision that shapes our lives? Welcome to the channel Generative AI, where we explore the future of artificial intelligence, emerging technology, and the powerful ideas that are redefining how humans and machines interact. If you enjoy in-depth discussions on AI innovation, tech trends, and the forces shaping tomorrow, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and turn on notifications so you stay updated as the world of AI evolves every single day. Today, we are diving deep into one of the most talked about and highly trending topics across the technology world, Meta introducing Confucius. This concept is gaining massive attention because it signals a shift in how artificial intelligence may be designed, trained, and deployed in the future. It is not just about building smarter machines, but about building machines that understand responsibility, context, and long-term impact. Meta has already played a central role in shaping the digital era through platforms like Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, virtual reality, and large-scale AI models. With Confucius, the conversation moves beyond engagement metrics and computational performance. The idea suggests blending advanced machine learning with philosophical reasoning, ethical frameworks, and human-centered values to guide artificial intelligence behavior. The name Confucius itself carries deep meaning. Confucian philosophy emphasizes harmony, respect, responsibility, and moral integrity. By drawing inspiration from these principles, Meta appears to be signaling a future where artificial intelligence does not simply respond to inputs, but reflects on outcomes. Trending keywords surrounding this idea include ethical AI, responsible AI, human-aligned intelligence, explainable AI, trustworthy systems, and value-driven algorithms. One of the biggest challenges facing artificial intelligence today is alignment. AI systems are incredibly powerful, yet they often lack an understanding of consequences. They optimize for objectives without awareness of social, cultural, or emotional impact. Meta introducing Confucius represents an attempt to address this issue by embedding ethical reasoning directly into AI systems rather than treating it as an afterthought. Imagine an AI assistant that not only answers questions accurately, but considers fairness, inclusivity, and long-term effects. Imagine recommendation systems that prioritize mental well-being over addictive engagement. Imagine moderation tools that understand nuance instead of relying on rigid rules. These are the possibilities people associate with Confucius, and why the topic continues to dominate conversations across social media and tech communities. From a technical perspective, Confucius is linked to advancements in large language models, reinforcement learning, self-supervised learning, and multimodal AI. The goal is to move beyond pattern recognition toward contextual reasoning. Instead of simply predicting what comes next, AI systems could evaluate whether a response is appropriate, ethical, and constructive. Another major reason this topic is trending is regulation. Governments around the world are accelerating efforts to regulate artificial intelligence. Transparency, accountability, and fairness are becoming legal requirements rather than optional features. Meta introducing Confucius can be seen as a strategic move to align with future AI governance frameworks while rebuilding public trust. Public trust has become one of the most valuable assets in the technology industry. Users are increasingly aware of how algorithms influence behavior, opinions, and decisions. Ethical AI is no longer a niche concern. It is a mainstream demand. Confucius represents a response to this demand by suggesting that artificial intelligence should be designed with societal well-being in mind. For developers and businesses, this shift has profound implications. AI tools used in marketing, customer service, education, healthcare, and finance may need to adapt to ethical constraints built directly into their architecture. Instead of maximizing short-term efficiency, systems could optimize for sustainable and responsible outcomes. Social media platforms are a major focus of speculation. People are asking whether Confucius could reduce polarization, limit misinformation, and promote healthier digital interactions. Algorithms guided by ethical reasoning could potentially reshape how content is distributed and consumed, shifting away from outrage-driven engagement. At the same time, critics raise important questions. Who defines the ethical values embedded in AI? How do you balance cultural differences across global platforms? Can corporations be trusted to encode morality into machines without bias? These debates are essential, and they highlight why Confucius is more than a technical update. It is a philosophical statement. The broader AI industry is clearly moving toward maturity. For years, progress was measured by parameters, benchmarks, and performance scores. Now, the conversation includes meaning, trust, and impact. Meta introducing Confucius reflects this transition from raw capability to responsible intelligence. Education is one area where ethical AI could be transformative. AI tutors guided by values could encourage curiosity, critical thinking, and understanding rather than shortcuts and memorization. Students could interact with systems that adapt to individual learning styles while promoting integrity and growth. Healthcare is another domain where Confucius-style AI could make a difference. Decision support tools guided by ethical frameworks could assist doctors while respecting patient autonomy and transparency. As AI becomes more involved in diagnostics and treatment planning, ethical reasoning becomes essential. Creative industries are also watching closely. Artists, writers, and musicians are concerned about originality, ownership, and authenticity. Ethical AI could support human creativity instead of replacing it, ensuring that generative systems respect intellectual property and artistic intent. At its core, Meta introducing Confucius suggests that artificial intelligence is entering a new phase. The industry is acknowledging that intelligence without wisdom can be harmful. Power must be balanced with responsibility. Innovation must be guided by values. This moment is exciting because it bridges ancient philosophy with cutting-edge technology. It reminds us that progress does not always mean abandoning the past. Sometimes it means learning from it. Confucius represents an attempt to integrate timeless human principles into modern AI systems. As this concept continues to evolve, expect to see more discussions around AI alignment, digital ethics, human-centered design, and long-term societal impact. These are not just buzzwords. They are becoming essential pillars of artificial intelligence development. For investors and innovators, ethical AI is becoming a competitive advantage. Companies that prioritize trust and responsibility may define the next era of technology leadership. Meta positioning itself around Confucius reflects awareness of this shift. The future of artificial intelligence will be shaped not only by engineers and researchers, but by philosophers, policymakers, and everyday users. Confucius highlights the importance of interdisciplinary thinking in AI development. As consumers, we also play a role. The demand for ethical technology influences corporate priorities. Conversations like this one help shape public awareness and expectations. Another important dimension of Meta introducing Confucius is its potential influence on workplace automation. As AI systems become more integrated into hiring, evaluation, and productivity tools, ethical reasoning becomes critical. Decisions that affect livelihoods require transparency and fairness. Confucius-inspired AI could help ensure that automation supports workers rather than marginalizes them. In finance and economics, ethical AI could reduce systemic risk. Algorithms that trade, lend, or assess credit can amplify inequality if left unchecked. A value-aware AI framework could promote stability, fairness, and accountability across financial systems. This aligns with global conversations about responsible innovation and sustainable growth. The cultural impact of Confucius is also worth noting. Artificial intelligence is not value neutral. It reflects the priorities of those who build it. By openly acknowledging philosophical influences, Meta is inviting dialogue about what kind of future society wants to create with AI. This transparency itself is a meaningful step. There is also a strong connection between Confucius and explainability. Users want to understand why AI systems make certain decisions. Ethical reasoning requires justification. If AI can explain its choices in human terms, trust increases. This could transform user relationships with technology. Security and safety are additional areas where ethical frameworks matter. AI systems capable of reasoning about harm could reduce misuse, deepfakes, and malicious applications. Confucius could influence how AI detects and prevents abuse while respecting privacy and freedom of expression. The global nature of meta platforms adds complexity. Ethical values vary across cultures. A Confucius-inspired system would need flexibility, sensitivity, and adaptability. This raises fascinating technical and philosophical challenges that researchers are actively exploring. From a research standpoint, integrating ethics into AI requires new methodologies. It is not enough to add rules. Systems must learn values through data, feedback, and reasoning. This opens new frontiers in machine learning, cognitive science, and philosophy. Public reaction to Confucius reflects growing awareness of AI power. People are asking deeper questions about control, autonomy, and agency. Who guides intelligent systems as they become more capable? Meta introducing Confucius places these questions at the center of public discourse. The long-term vision behind this concept suggests a partnership between humans and machines. AI becomes a collaborator rather than a tool. Ethical reasoning enables cooperation rather than domination. This vision resonates with many who see technology as a means to enhance human potential. As competition in the AI space intensifies, differentiation matters. Raw performance is no longer enough. Trust, responsibility, and alignment become defining factors. Confucius positions Meta within this emerging landscape. Education and awareness will be key. Users need to understand how ethical AI works and why it matters. Channels like generative AI play an important role in bridging this knowledge gap. Looking ahead, Confucius could influence standards across the industry. Other companies may adopt similar approaches, leading to a more responsible AI ecosystem. This collaborative shift could benefit society as a whole. The pace of change in artificial intelligence is accelerating. Concepts like Confucius remind us to pause and reflect. Progress should be intentional, not reckless. Wisdom must guide innovation. As we continue to follow this story, expect new developments, debates, and breakthroughs. Meta introducing Confucius is not an endpoint, it is a beginning. Thank you for spending this time with generative AI. Stay curious, stay informed, and stay engaged as we explore the future together. The conversation around Confucius also intersects with artificial general intelligence. As systems move closer to broader reasoning capabilities, ethical alignment becomes even more critical. Advanced AI must understand not only tasks, but consequences. Another aspect gaining attention is emotional intelligence. Ethical AI may better recognize human emotions and respond with empathy. This could improve mental health support, customer service, and social interaction. Researchers are also exploring how Confucius-inspired models could learn from mistakes. Ethical reflection allows systems to adapt responsibly over time rather than repeat harmful patterns. The business world is watching closely. Responsible AI can strengthen brand reputation and customer loyalty. Trust becomes a strategic asset. Ultimately, Confucius challenges the industry to redefine success. Intelligence alone is not enough. Wisdom matters. As this journey continues, conversations like this help shape the path forward. Artificial intelligence reflects human choices. Choosing ethics means choosing a better future. Stay connected with generative AI for more insights, updates, and deep dives into the technologies shaping our world. Every generation defines technology by its values. Confucius represents a call to design AI that respects humanity. This idea resonates across borders, industries, and cultures. The future will test these principles. Implementation matters as much as intention. Ongoing dialogue is essential. Artificial intelligence is a mirror. What we build reflects who we are. Confucius invites reflection, responsibility, and care. That is why this moment matters. It is not just about meta, it is about the direction of intelligence itself. Thank you for watching and for being part of the generative AI community. Your support, subscriptions, and engagement allow this channel to explore ideas that shape tomorrow and explain complex technology in a clear, human way. Together, we dive into artificial intelligence, innovation, and emerging trends that inspire progress and spark meaningful conversations. This channel exists to encourage thoughtful innovation, responsible design, and curiosity-driven learning in a rapidly changing digital world. By staying connected, you help build a smarter, wiser, and more human-centered future where technology serves people, not the other way around. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep questioning what is possible as we move forward with purpose, awareness, and optimism for the future starting today together.